Before visiting Lauterbrunnen, I told myself I'd be happy if I saw just 3 waterfalls. I had no idea I was about to find 10, and those would be hidden inside a mountain. Hi darlings and waterfall creatures. I do not know who live in waterfalls, but I'm interested. I'm soon to find out because I'm going to a place that is known for having 72 waterfalls. But if I will see like 3, I will be overly happy. I actually saw a picture of it somewhere on Facebook years ago in some kind of travel group, and what I saw looked so enchanting. I marked it on my map, and now years later I'm actually going there. This is so exciting. I'm in a train right now. It takes about 20 minutes. It's called Lauterbrunnen. Let's go. And I arrived. Oh my! You can see the waterfall right there. Oh my gosh. Just like that, you're just walking and bam, waterfall. Wow. This is gorgeous. And you can see another one. And another one. Did I say I'm happy if I'll see 3? I just stepped out of the train station. I already saw 3. Oh my god, 4th. It's like a really small one, but it's over there. It's right there. Oh my god, look whom I found. Look at the beard. So I kind of went down from the train station, down and on the left, to get a good viewing point to see the waterfalls I saw on the exit from the train station. And now I'm just following the path down there that follows the river that flows right beside me, and it's just such a nice walk. You can see the farm animals, the goats, the cows, I can hear the chickens. I saw 2 cats and 2 flamingos, but these are not real. These are like plastic. They did bring more color though into this farm theme. And now I'm just walking straight. I am enjoying watching cliffs on both sides, and the clouds are like swallowing them more and more. This is just such a nice walk. I think this trail loops over there and then turns back. And I won't lie to you, I don't like that. I would like this to continue forever and forever, or at least for a few hours. So on this trail you can also learn about local animals, the wild animals of local areas. And this is the Alpine ibex. There is an info board about it. Golden eagle. The red deer. Okay darling, so the path truly turns back here, but it also continues that way. There is a helicopter over there, that's why the sound is so loud of it. But I think if somebody has a very short time, the path I just walked, and turning back over here would be a very nice walk. But since I have more time and even snacks, so I don't need to eat my hair, I will continue. Yeah, so from here you can go back to Lauterbrunnen or continue to the direction of Stechelberg, which is that way. Also, there's a toilet here at this point and some picnic tables over there. Oh, whoa, even like a barbecue place. The stone walls here look like you could read their stories from their surfaces. I don't know if you get what I mean, but there is so much color and shapes happening on the surface.
Actually, the colors and patterns are not random. They are layers of rock shaped over time by glaciers and waterfalls. In fact, waterfalls are still shaping these beauties.
And I can see the trails turns left now. And I think I will do that because I just checked on Google Maps that there is one attraction that I really want to see, which is actually on that side of the river. So here you can see a sign. There is another toilet, by the way, and the sign says Trümmelbach Valley. This way. I'm pretending like I know how to read these names. Look at the path. Look at the old paths. They are so gorgeous. The views on each side are so epic. And here we are, almost there. So here you can see waterfalls inside a mountain. The entry is 16 Swiss francs, but I was so impressed with the caves near Interlaken that I am so going here as well. You can see a small kind of a map, and darlings, there are 10 glacier waterfalls inside the mountain. So there is an elevator that takes you up, but the line to get in was so long that I waited for a while and then I went to take the stairs. And it's actually a very nice walk. And the views from here are awesome.
The name of this place comes from the German word Trommel, meaning drum, so welcome to the Drum Brook. Once you step inside the mountain galleries, you realize why. The resonance of the water hitting the rock sounds like many drums beating at once. These falls drain 3 mighty glaciers. So basically we are witnessing the drainage system of the Swiss Alps.
It is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I'm like, is this real? Honestly, I'm a bit on a budget, so every time I need to pay for any entry, I'm like really considering should I or not. And every time I'm like, yes, this was worth it. I think even if I took a loan just to visit places around Switzerland, it would still be worth it. By the way, the clouds are so low and so dark that I think it's gonna be raining soon. And something tells me that Lauterbrunnen should look amazing under the rain, like it just fits. And yes, it starts raining. Oh, third drop. I am for some reason really excited. I think it fits here. Just look at that, wow. Anyways, from here it's 1 hour back to Lauterbrunnen, or one might also take a bus, or 1 hour to the next town or village. So these waterfalls inside the mountain are in the middle of the trail between two villages. Oh my god, it's gorgeous when the clouds are so low and dark. It's just so atmospheric. But hey darlings, thank you for following me on my adventures and visiting Lauterbrunnen with me. And these beautiful waterfalls inside the rock. Wow. Oh, I'm just gonna stand here for a moment and enjoy watching the rain starting. Bye darling, see you somewhere else.